has to be a record for South Florida. It's rained just about every day this summer. I don't know if summer's over yet. Rained just about every day. I only can recall a few days it didn't rain. Rained again today, yesterday, day before, day before. Constant rain. Doesn't last all day, just lasts for like a half hour, an hour. But what's interesting, okay, this is like a record for South Florida, all rain summer. But what's interesting, there's no mosquitoes. There's always been mosquitoes right after a rain. Forever. Mosquitoes everywhere. You can't go out at dawn or dusk. That's when they're really active. No mosquitoes at all. How this worked out, I have no idea. All this rain and didn't produce any mosquitoes.